Welcome back, everyone. Today, I am actually delving in a very hot topic, which is AI agent creation. I was able to automate a chatbot for one of my text files, which can be any text file. So basically, as you know, like I'm into AWS, I'm into security, I'm into cloud, infra, and security. But if you are into security, then you need to secure everything, including AI. So this is the first step, which I want to actually go through you to tell you that, yes, with the invent of ChatGPT and advancing of ChatGPT and other LLM models, like this is a game-changing technology. And we should not be afraid of uh, getting replaced by AI, but we should be empowered by learning the AI. So this is the first step. I will be coming up with other videos time to time. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and let's go. Okay. So I know this particular thing might be looking a very, uh, complex to you, but believe me, it is not. It is a very nice flow where I want to send a chat, for example, here, right? And then I want to actually get some details from a file which I have uploaded. For example, any file. It can be about the company, it can be about a webinar, it can be about a security topic, or it can be any publicly accessible file. Okay. It can be any NIST documentation. For example, if you are doing a cybersecurity assessment, you can also have your notes or your details uploaded, which actually can be publicly accessible. Okay, so what I've done is I have actually trained this model through that document, where this particular model will actually reply me based on that document. So think about the use case, what I am trying to say here, that you can take a security document or you can take any document, right? And you can plug in the open chat AI model and get the answers and get your automation done. For example, let's say I upload a security document of a NIST assessment or an assessment or a documentation on any technology, let's say Kafka, right? And I ask specific questions to the model, hey, how can I configure a fault-tolerant Kafka? And believe me, you will get the answers. But this is a simple demo, which I am actually doing for a simple company called Digital Nomads, which has an upcoming webinar. And I just want to ask him about those details. So since it is a demo, that's why I'm just taking that file. But in actual live classes and live teachings, I will be actually showing you in more details, right? So how's the flow here? So the flow is like, I will chat here, like, hey, can you give me the details of the webinar? This particular chat web agent will talk to my AI agent, which will actually get those details from the file which I have uploaded, right? And this particular chat will also give me the answer in a very specific way. If I say that but your answer should be straight to the point and very, very professional, it will do that. For example, here, let me show you. This is the open chat model. I'm using GPT-4 Omni. So give me a second, it is here. Sorry. You see how I have told him? You are a friendly assistant, right? So for example, if I'm doing a security analysis, I will tell him that I'll tell the model, you are a security specialist, okay, for the company, blah, blah, blah. So in this case, I'm saying you are a friendly assistant for digital nomads, okay? You answer questions about the workshop. you have these tools, access to these tools, DN chat webinar, and then you will answer those questions, correct? So what will happen is the flow will be, it will check on this, then it will take on the query, then it will also save those queries in my memory, last 15 queries. And for example, if I say, my name is Sid, then he will say, hey, how are you, Sid? Then if I ask him, Sid, what is my name? Then the model will tell me, yeah, your name is Sid. Okay, fine. Then let's move on. Then we need to have a Pinecone vector store. What is Pinecone vector store? It is a vector store for LLM models to store data so that they can actually browse through that particular data to give us the output. Okay. Again, I'm using here open chat model here, which is here GPT-4o to give me the answers back. So let's not get into like how it is being implemented. Let's first see the output. Slowly, I will be giving you the details how it is being implemented, and we can see from there. Okay. So let's start. Hey, I say, hey, model. See, node executed successfully. Hello, how can I assist you today? My name is Sid. So let's check whether this particular model remembers my name or not. Okay, how can I contact for more details on the webinar? See, it automatically gives me the digital nomads contact details to get in touch with the person. Okay, what are the dates? What are the dates for the webinar? Because I have posted multiple times like May 31st, then July, all these things. So let's see what date he comes up with. Okay, you see, there is one, then there is one, this thing, July 12th, all these things it is giving me. So think about this. This is a very simple example I have given you, right? If this particular chatbot, you put it in your landing page or for coaches who are doing those webinars and other things, do you need to be there 24/7 answering those questions? No, you can use your time for the coaching. Okay, so this is what is I'm working on. You will see many of my posts regularly now, so please subscribe to the channel. And of course there will be a webinar. I will teach this particular thing live on July 12th, 9 a.m. IST. Okay, then thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.